Do that again.
Oh, I love mimicking animal sounds.
Yeah. The little tail wagon. He is very joyful right now.
Oh, it's okay, Kai.
What the fuck is he doing?
I just hope I'm not causing him stress by mimicking him. You know?
I don't know. What sounds is he making right now? What the fuck happened?
He's getting a drink.
Oh, okay.
See?
Oh, look at baby Winter.
Winter.
Winter!
Kai. Little buddy boy.
Look at fucking Winter just staring over there.
Buddy boy. He's a buddy boy. It's okay, Kai. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy boy. It's okay. It's okay.
Look at his, where's his little tail at?
It's okay, Kai.
He's a wagging. No, it's not. No, it's kind of wagging his little tail. Kind of.
Buddy boy. It's okay. It's okay.
What noise is he making?
Whiny sounds.
Oh,
He's making whiny sounds.
just make like quiet little whining sounds.
Hey, buddy boy. It's okay. Kai. Come here. Oh, you're right. I forgot I got the food bag down there.
Oh yeah,
You know, full of junk food and snacks.
gold.
Yeah, Reese's Pieces.
Look at fucking Winter. She's just staring. Look at Winter. Winter.
She's got the Vegas stare of murderous intent.
Yeah.
There is Winter. Yeah, you want to kill him so bad, don't you, Winter? You little jealous rat.
You little bitch.
Don't call her a bitch. You're
She's
a
a
bitch.
little bitch, you know. Look, look at her.
Don't call her a bitch.
Look at this little shit over there.
Yeah, little shit. I can. Yeah. That's
Little
fine.
bitch
now.
ass
Don't call her a bitch.
Winter.